Right, so I was just wondering, how could I use a joystick with Xbox for farming sim? So here I've got my Logitech G920. I have a board here which has got buttons in and a key, which I'm going to wire up from wire to a 3.5mm jack. And then I recently bought the £75 adaptive controller. I plugged it in to the back of my Xbox with USB 0.3, I think it is, 0.3 or 2, and you got A and B and that, but then you've got all these little buttons at the back and they're all 3.5. So I plugged in a USB down to a joystick, the Logitech Pro thing, Logitech 3D Pro or something it's called, Extreme 3D Pro, and I've been using this in game and actually works. But then if you get little buttons off Amazon and like a little key start, they come in packages like this and they just look like this. They have little LEDs on. If you wire some little clips from the back out to some wire, and then you do 3.5mm jack into the back of these, you can use the switches as like RB, LB, X to turn on your tractor, and yeah, basically just that. So I was wondering if I could use this to turn, and I can, and I can use my controller to turn, and this thing here, if you look, it'll say you can't detach it. You can't detach it. Then what's the joystick for, you may ask? Well, the joystick, if I put the joystick here so you can see, if I click this button, brings up the map. This one changes our view. This one gets us out and in, and it's currently going backwards. I can look down. Oh, let me go back to where I had it. So I can put it down, up, left, down, and I can just look wherever I want with the joystick, whenever I want. So when you get the joystick, you just plug it right into the side of it, onto the right side of your panel, and then when you've wired up all these wires, which I'm doing soon, which I'll put another video up for, they go under your desk and they plug into the back of here. And then, so say I flick that, that's going to be the left bumper, that's going to be right bumper. So say I flick that down, that's just press the left bumper, so that would do that. And then when I've held it to do that, then it'll make my tractor go into the front loader mode, which then makes it so I can get, well there, let me just try and force this little thing under here. I'm trying to keep the little finger put. There we go. So now it's in that mode. I can use the joystick to operate the front loader. So that is how you operate in Farm Sim using a joystick. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.